Hi there, this is Wendy. I've come to share with you a design team project that I've done for Honeypuddle. She has some amazing things in her Etsy store, lots of digital designs that are absolutely gorgeous, and she asked me to put together a little something for her design team. So I'm using her bee kit, her bee journal kit, and I've made, it's not a journal, it's kind of like a miniature folio. I know that folios have been really popular in the last few months, so I decided to use her kit and to feature her designs in this little folio. So this is the front cover. I have a little charm here. It's got a little, I don't know if you can see it, it's got a little bee and some flowers, and it's just attached onto this little seam binding ribbon. And she has some pretty poetry on a lot of her kits. She uses poetry in a lot of her kits, and they're very apt to what the kit's theme is. So we have a little seam binding closing, and on the inside we have the first pocket, and I used some coffee dyed paper that I got from my friend Louise Fraser. She coffee dyes the most wonderful papers, and I thought that this one was kind of honeycombish, but not really, kind of a cool texture. So in the front pocket we have just a little die cut, and this is a pocket that you get in the bee kit that Michelle has created. And so this is just a little guest check. The pocket, I've just got a little tag, and this also is from her kit. This little bee tag and the little honeycomb there, really pretty. This is also one of her little designs, and just a couple of little tickets and die cuts to go in there. This is another piece of the design, Be Happy, so cute. These are all, this is also a piece of ephemera that is not from that kit, but is from one of her kits. And then there's a little piece of ephemera there. So that's in the first pocket. Back in here. Then I have a little, a few little tucks that I got this idea from Firefly Studios. She did a folio that featured some envelope flips, so I was really taken with that, so I decided to incorporate them in this little folio. And so this is another design from Michelle's kit, as are these little envelopes. And on the inside, oh, they're stuck. I've done a little library card, a little collage. Library card is also in one of Michelle's kits. So there are two of those in the side pocket. This is another one of her designs, Queen Bee. That's really sweet. And tuck that back in there. And on the flip side, this is another one of her page designs. She has quite a few pages that she's designed, and I've just sort of torn it and put it onto the back of the envelope. This flips up and has another one of her little bees on there. This is also another one of her digital designs that she has in this kit. It's really a sweet little kit, and this comes out. It's a little place to journal, and goes right in here. Excuse me. Fix that a little bit. This goes up, and this turns to the side. Another one of her little designs. Here's another tag, and another little journaling tag. You can tag journal on the back of those. And then in the last pocket, more like the front pocket, some more ephemera from her shop, another guest check with also some more ephemera and some tickets, her little bee, and her little pocket with the beehive and her little bee tags. They're so cute. And this is also part of her, one of her digital pages has these pretty flowers on them, so I thought that would make a really great background for that piece. Oops. So yeah, this is my little design project for Honeypuddle. I will put all of her information down below, and I'm glad to be back. I've been gone for a little bit of time, and now I'm hoping to move forward and have some more videos for you very soon. And thank you, Michelle, for asking me to showcase your beautiful digital designs. And I hope that you all will go and check out Honeypuddle on Etsy. So there's a front cover and the back cover. So thanks very much. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye.